everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you a folding hack.
Blanket weather is here, so I want to show you two amazing ways to fold them. Spread your blanket on a flat surface face down. Fold the top part under like this. Fold the left side. Fold the right side over. Continue to flatten it out. Then roll the blanket all the way. When you get to the top, you will have there a pocket where you will bring your roll inside this pocket. Tuck it in nicely. Voila! A nice folding that won't unfold so easily. And you can definitely use it as a pillow if you're traveling, if you're camping, or other situations where you need an extra pillow. The second way is similar to the first one. Spread your blanket on a flat surface face down. Fold the top part under like this. Fold the left side. Fold the right side over. Continue to flatten it out. Then, this time, instead of rolling it, just fold it 3 times. Flip it inside that pocket that was created, and this is it. Your blanket folded in a little rectangle that will save you so much space. Look at this, so neat. And the fun part is that even if you dig into your drawer, it won't unfold because that pocket is keeping everything tight. This is an amazing method for when you have small kids because they won't mess up easily the folded blankets. Once you're done watching this video, be sure to check out my cleaning hacks playlist. I will help you clean faster and easier. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Bye!